Hello everyone, is your car's cooling fan running at full speed all the time? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0692, cooling fan 1 control circuit high, it means the cooling fan is getting excessive voltage, leading to constant operation or electrical issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0692 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0692? The P0692 Trouble Code stands for Cooling Fan 1 Control Circuit High. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an abnormally high voltage in the cooling fan circuit, which can cause the fan to stay on constantly, or not function properly. This issue can lead to battery drain, overheating, or even damage to the cooling system. Common symptoms of P0692: check engine light on cooling fan, running at full speed all the time, engine taking longer to warm up, unstable engine temperature readings, increased electrical load on the battery. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0692, inspect these key components. Cooling fan relay. Location: inside the fuse relay box in the engine bay, near the radiator or battery. Function: controls power delivery to the cooling fan motor. Cooling fan motor. Location: attached to the radiator either in front or behind it. Function: regulates engine temperature by moving air through the radiator. Cooling fan control module, if equipped. Location: near the radiator or integrated with the cooling fan assembly. Function: regulates fan speed based on engine temperature signals. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Function: monitors fan operation and adjusts voltage accordingly. Cooling fan circuit wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the relay, fan motor, PCM, and battery. Function: carries power and control signals. Short circuits can cause high voltage issues. Common causes of P0692: stuck cooling fan relay. If the relay is stuck in the on position, it keeps the fan running at full speed. Shorted cooling fan motor. A failing motor can cause excessive current draw, triggering P0692. Wiring issues: short circuits or exposed wires. Damaged wiring can cause excessive voltage in the circuit. Faulty cooling fan control module, if equipped. If the module malfunctions, it may send too much voltage to the fan. Defective PCM. A bad PCM may not properly regulate fan speed. How to fix P0692. Step 1. Inspect and replace the cooling fan relay. Swap it with a known working relay. Step 2. Check the cooling fan motor. Measure voltage and test if the fan is spinning at the correct speed. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or shorted wires. Step 4. Test the cooling fan control module, if equipped. Use a multimeter to check for excessive voltage output. Step 5. Verify PCM signals. Ensure the PCM is sending the correct voltage for fan operation. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0692 can lead to excessive battery drain, cooling system failure, and reduced engine efficiency. Fixing it early will keep your car running smoothly and prevent unnecessary repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0636, Power Steering Assist Sensor Circuit Low. P0637, Power Steering Control Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.